Hi guys, I'm going to go over for you how to deal with the sidebars and widgets. So if we look at, for instance, the blog, just bring this in a little bit. So here's our sidebar. We've got our ad for the yoga teacher training and a join our mailing list button. So if we want to add or change to that, we go to the back end, and the widgets are under appearance. Or sidebar. Sidebars are populated by widgets exclusively. So you go to Appearance, Widgets, and we are really just using the primary sidebar here. This is also where you get to your footer columns. So here are the different things you've got going on in your footer. So we'll deal with the sidebar at this point. Anything that you pretty much type into is one of the Black Studio Tiny MEC widgets. So that's what all these are. And normally they would have a title, like this one has a title of our location. If it doesn't have a title, it's because I didn't want it to have a title. The title will always appear in the widget. So you just kind of have to spin it down with your little arrow here. Bring it over again to find out what's in there. And just like the others, you can go to HTML view and see what's going on, or you can just use the visual editor. So whether you're inserting a photograph, which this is, or text, you use your Black Studio widget. And I use that one just because it's much more versatile than the default text widget, which comes with WordPress. And then on top of that, so we've got our location, and this is your map and your address. Every widget has the show hide widget option. So you can either show it on the checked pages or hide it on the checked pages. So this is only appearing on the contact page. So we'll just show it on, and you come down, you've got, like at the top, it's, oops, sorry. These kind of show only for things, front page, whatever. I just go right down to pages, and you can go there alphabetical. So we want to show it on contact, and then save it. So you can do that with just about anything. Use the same headings and underline and bold and what have you that you use in any other kind of a widget. Just keep in mind that it's about 280 to 300 pixels. I try to keep these ones 280 pixels wide. So any kind of photo object I'm using does that. Now there's all kinds of other things. You could put your links, that's your blog roll in there. You can put a next gen widget, which will put a I can't think of that in my photo gallery. Next gen is your photo galleries, and we're going to go over those in the next video. And you can put pages, recent posts, you can put a search box, you know, all kinds of stuff in there. So there you go. So if you want to move something around, and then you can reorder them to just drag it down or drag it up. This is the custom menu. So custom menu for yoga teacher training. That's shows on here. That makes the yoga teacher training menu show up in the sidebar on those pages, and so you choose your pages here. So if you don't want it to appear on BCRPA anymore, we just unclick that. The others are under Y for or recommended reading list, and then here, oh, yoga teacher training application form. I guess we need that on there, so click there and save. Okay, in the next video I'll show you how to deal with photo galleries.